Hi guys, my name is Samira and today is 2:10 a.m. UK time and today's date is 12th of November 2025. I'm making this video and I'm dropping this video. So guys, this is my mom shirt, so don't make it stop me. So back to business. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Samira and today we'll be talking about something that can literally change your life and how to get a direct job sponsorship in Ireland in 2025 and 2026. You don't need an agent, you don't need to pay to anyone. You can do it all by yourself if you follow these simple steps that I'm about to share with you. So grab a pen, a note, and let's get started. So why so many people moving to Ireland this year? Because Ireland is one of the easiest English speaking countries in Europe that offers you real visa sponsorship directly from employers. And this country has thousands of jobs shortage. They have thousands of jobs shortage right now in healthcare, constructions, education. Employers are willing to hire qualified people from abroad. Plus, the processing is very straightforward and the salaries are super good. And after 5 years, you can even apply for your permanent residencies. It's hidden gem for job seekers, to be honest with you. And today we're going to be talking about the two main type of work permit that allows employers to sponsor you in Ireland. Number one is a critical skill employment permit. This one is for skilled jobs like nurses, doctors, engineers, professionals, and teachers. They are like high demand roles. And number two on my list today is the general employment permit. This covers like where there is shortage of Irish workers like caregivers, chefs, construction workers, cleaners, and drivers. And the most amazing good news in both cases where employers can apply for your permit, and once it is approved, you can start your work visa and apply for your work visa in the Irish embassy. This is so super good and it's so super easy, to be honest with you. And now I want us to talk about the most important part and how can you find this job. This is what people want to hear. I'm there now. Here are the real website whereby Irish employers post their sponsorship job. We have jobisland.ie. This is where the official government website is located. So you can find jobs at the irishjob.ie. You will find hundreds of verified listing sponsorship jobs. And number three is Indeed. All you just have to do is to type on the search bar on the Indeed and put visa sponsorship. It will give you a lot of companies who are sponsoring. And number four is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very good. All you just have to do is to open the account and make sure you're looking for visa sponsorship job. It will give you varieties of companies who are willing to sponsor you or who are willing to hire people from abroad. And when you're applying, make sure you're using the keywords like visa sponsorship, work permit, or relocation support. And please make sure your CV is in the Europass format. Attach a very good cover letter saying, I am available for immediate relocation to Ireland. I am eligible for work permit sponsorship. And this single line can make a big differences for you. Honestly, all you just have to do is to make sure you're getting a good CV. And let me explain this thing to you. What are the sectors demand? What are the high demand? The sector whereby employers are actively sponsoring people right now is number one, we all know, healthcare and nursing. And number two is the caregiver and the health assistant. And number three is the software engineer. And we have the construction and the electrical people engineer, hospitality chefs, and child care and education. This are really good. And even cleaners, drivers, kitchen assistants can sometimes get sponsored if the companies approve that there is a shortage for this role. So don't limit yourself. You can apply widely, to be honest. So let's talk about the documents you might need when you are applying or before you apply for a job. Make sure you are getting ready for you don't know. you might be lucky. Make sure you have your valid passport, your good Aeropass CV, academic and a professional certificate. Make sure you have your reference letter from your past jobs. Like, make sure you also have your police clearance certificate. Make sure you also have your English test, because some employers might ask you for it. And make sure you have a simple motivation letter. This is very important. If you have all this, then you're on one step ahead, honestly. So today, at the same time, I'm still going to be talking about the visa and the salary part of it. So for salary, for critical skill jobs, usually pay between £32,000 to £68,000 per year, depending on your field. And while the general employment job is like £30,000 to £39,000, the work visa is normally valid for 2 years and can be renewed after your 5 years, and you can apply for your permanent residency. Yeah, this is really good. This is not just a job opportunity, but this is also a relocation pathway for you and your family. And now, please, I really want to warn you, please be very careful, and be very careful for people who give fake job offers or scammers. I've been a victim. An Irish employer will never ask you to pay for a job offer or for a visa. You can verify if the company is registered or not. All you just have to do is to make sure you check the CRO.ie, or make sure you're confirming the job from where the job was posted. Maybe it could be like Jobs Island and .ie. And lastly, don't get discouraged. Apply at least 10 to 20 every week. Persistency is really matters a lot. And that is it. You now know exactly how to get a job directly in Ireland without even using any agent. If you simply like, all you just have to do is to make sure you have a good and you're good to go. But if you don't, let me just be very clear with you guys. If you don't have a good CV, there's no how you can have a good job, and there's no how no employer will hire you. But in as much, if you want to make a good CV and a good cover letter, all you just have to do is to email me at bawasamira21@gmail.com. Definitely, I'm ready to make a good CV for you. Don't forget to subscribe or like and share this video with your friends, because somebody else there might need this information. And thank you for watching. I'll drop my next video, and I'm going to be giving you all the link of the job employees, and also on this video I'll be dropping some of the link of where you can find these jobs. I'll be giving you it directly to job employers on my next video. Thank you guys. I wish to see you in my next video. Bye.